Hello and thank you for being here. My name is Martin and I'm excited to walk you through Zamo Chat, one of the most meaningful projects in my early developer journey. This is a real-time chat application built with React designed to serve as a modern communication and collaboration solution for individuals and teams. Zamo Chat was developed as part of my JavaScript training at Derrick Academy alongside two fellow students. It's a project that challenged us in many ways, and I'm proud of what we achieved. The goal of Zamo Chat is to offer users the ability to communicate in real time with friends, edit and delete their messages, react to messages with emojis, create and manage group chats and channels, add or remove friends, and maintain a personal profile with editable user information. Before we dive into the app itself, I'd like to mention a few things. This was actually the first serious React project that my fellow students and I built. It came at a time when everything was still very new and overwhelming. Naturally, not everything in the codebase is perfect. Some parts of the UI or logic might look a bit rough around the edges. That's normal and expected when you're starting out. After completing the academy, each of us went down our own path so the project remained in its original form. But despite its imperfections, I find it important to share it because it's where I learned the power of component-based architecture, it's where I made my first Firebase integration, it's where I learned how to collaborate in a team, give and receive feedback and divide responsibilities, it's where I first saw how complex ideas come together into something tangible, and in short, this is where my developer path really started, and this is important. The technologies used for the project are React for UI rendering, React Router for navigation, Tailwind CSS for styling, Firebase for backend authentication and real-time database, and ESLint for code quality. So, with all that in mind, let me now show you how Zamo Chat works in practice. Let's start from the very beginning, the public-facing side of Zamo Chat. Here, users are welcomed with a clean, inviting landing page that sets the tone for the app's friendly and modern feel. They are given two clear options, to log in or to create an account. Whether you're a returning user or someone new, the process is smooth and intuitive. For new users, the registration process is simple, guiding them step by step with clarity and ease. On the login page, users are just a few steps away from entering the app. It's all designed with accessibility and simplicity in mind. Once logged in, users arrive at the chat page, the heart of direct messaging in Zamo Chat. This interface allows users to search for friends and start private conversations instantly. Does the searching. And now, to mimic a real situation, I'm going to exchange some chat messages between two different user accounts. Users can react to messages using emojis to keep conversations expressive. And if they ever need to edit or delete the message, it's just as simple. These features give users full control over their communication experience, all in real time. Next up is the groups page. This is where collaboration gets more social. Here, users could use the search bar to find some group. Users can also create groups and add participants directly from their friends list. This makes it easy to tailor groups for specific topics, interests, or projects. Once a group is created, users have full flexibility over participation. After opening the group, they can add other users from their friends list who have not yet been added to the group. They can leave any group at any time. And only the original creator has the ability to delete the group. The goal here is to create a space where connections are meaningful and groups just stay relevant to the user's needs. Now, let's take a closer look at the channels that are inside the groups. Each new group comes with a default general channel, the main space for communication, but users can also create additional channels within each group to help organize conversations by topic, task, or interest. Now we are creating a channel. So, unlike one-on-one chats, channels are built for group dialogue with multiple people participating at once. As we could see, in Zamo Chat's channel, multiple users are participating in this dialogue. Now, we are also simulating a conversation here. Channel creators also have moderation powers. They can delete channels anytime, keeping things neat and purposeful. The contacts page is where users manage their social connections. Here they can view all their current friends, use the search bar to find specific contacts, remove friends from their friends list, or send new friend requests using the user's username. Incoming requests are clearly displayed, making it easy to grow your network and stay connected. Lastly, we have the profile page. Users can update key details like their username, email, and location, which we'll demonstrate now. And users can also set a custom status and also change their avatar to better express themselves. Additionally, users have the option to update their cover image, the background image behind the profile picture, giving them more control over the visual style of their profile, similar to platforms like Facebook. From this page, users can also choose to log out securely, or, if they ever decide to leave, even delete their profile entirely. We won't do that now, but the option is available. All updates can be done quickly and intuitively, making it easy for users to keep their profiles fresh and tailored to their preferences. Zamo Chat has also a theme switcher, allowing users to toggle between dark and light modes. And that wraps up the presentation of Zamo Chat. Building this project was a great experience, full of learning, collaboration and growth. Yes, it came with its fair share of challenges, but it also pushed me to improve my skills, stay motivated and continue evolving as a developer. If you're curious to explore more or want to check out the source code, feel free to visit the GitHub repository and or the deployed version linked below. If you have some feedback or just want to connect, you can find the options also in the video description below. Feel free to reach out. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the walkthrough and maybe even got inspired by the journey.